Okay, here's something some people might not know about these Red Ryder BB guns. So, if you, safety's on, if you cock it once and pull trigger once, it'll shoot one time. And if I keep pulling the trigger, nothing happens. But if you cock it 2 times, it will shoot twice. Okay, and so let's say you just sit here and cock it like 100 times. You can turn it into a machine gun. And I just wanted to show you that. A lot of y'all might not know about these Red Ryder BB guns, but it's really cool, and it might help you next time you're trying to get rid of your old BBs. So see you next video whenever I show you something else that's really cool about these.